Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a privacy policy link right into the footer of your Google site. It's simple, but a lot of people miss where the footer settings actually are. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open Google Sites and sign in with your Google account. Yeah, the same one your website uses. Then just open the site where you want to add the privacy policy. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of any page. Google Sites uses one universal footer, so anything you add here shows up on every page automatically. Click inside the footer and add a text box. You can type something like privacy policy or whatever wording you prefer. All right, so now highlight that text and click the link icon, then paste your privacy policy URL. If your policy is a separate page inside Google Sites, you can just select it from your existing pages. You can adjust the font size, make it bold, maybe center it, whatever fits your site. Just try to keep things clean and readable. Once everything looks good, go up to the top right corner and hit publish. Give it a moment, then refresh your live site, and you should see the privacy policy link sitting in the footer. And that's it. Adding a privacy policy to the footer in Google Sites is pretty quick once you know where everything is. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. I'll see you in the next one.